Okay, everyone. So next we are going to do a simulation of cyber attack. Yeah, I will use Kali Linux for this simulation. So next, let's continue. So this is our goal. First, we are going to understand the pen test phases. Pen test is actually the penetration test. It's an activity that is commonly used by an ethical hacker to try the level of security of a specific system. The first one is we are going to perform reconnaissance, and the second we are going to conduct scanning, and number three we are going to perform enumeration. So let's do it step by step. So this is the required lab environment. First, we are going to need VirtualBox. You can use Parrot OS or Kali Linux. It's up to you. On this simulation, I will use Kali Linux. So we are going to have a target also. The target is demo.oaspjuice.shop, and the tools that is going to be employed is browser, Nmap, GoBuster, and CURL. All of these tools is available in the Kali Linux and the Parrot OS. Yeah. Okay, let's start. I will try to inform you about the Jewish Shop website. Yeah. So OWASP Jewish Shop is a modern, intentionally vulnerable web application. So the developer is intentionally make this web vulnerable. So they are doing this intentionally. It is done by the OWASP. Why they intentionally make it vulnerable? They make it intentionally vulnerable for security training, awareness, and penetration testing practice. Yeah. So we can practice our penetration testing skill on this site. Yeah. It simulates realistic online shopping websites containing numerous security weaknesses based on the OWASP top 10. The application is designed to help students, developers, and security professionals understand how web vulnerabilities are discovered, analyzed, and mitigated in a safe and legal environment. So let's go to the reconnaissance phase. Yeah, this is the overview of our reconnaissance. So the process of collecting publicly available information about the target before actively interacting with it is known as the reconnaissance. This is the definition of reconnaissance, yeah. And what is the goal of reconnaissance? The goal of reconnaissance is first, we are going to understand the target environment. Second, we are going to reduce uncertainty. Yeah, attacking someone that is unknown is absolutely full of uncertainty. So by doing reconnaissance, we are going to try to reduce the uncertainty of our target. And then the third goal is to identify possible attack vectors. Let's go. First, we are going to do DNS and domain discovery. We can use NSLOOKUP or DIG in this, yeah. We can use NSLOOKUP demo.owasp.juice.shop, or we can also use dig demo owasp.juice.shop, yeah. By doing this, we can collect several crucial information such as IP address, DNS records, and also the name of the servers. Okay, for this, I will use NSLOOKUP. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Oh, my Kali Linux is aborted. Let's see. I'm going to start my Kali Linux. Okay, switch. Let's wait. Okay, here we go. This is my Kali Linux. I will enter my Kali Linux first. Well, actually, Kali Linux is kind of cool, yeah. It's very cool. Okay, then. Uh, let's go to. Oh, what is this? Okay, let's enter our system first. After we successfully log into our Kali Linux, we can open the what is it? The terminal. And then we are going to use the NS lookup. Let's use the NS lookup. Demo dot, what is it? OWASP juice dot demo, right? Oh, dot shop. Sorry, dot shop. Then we're gonna run this. Okay, here we are. This is the server. The server is located, well, from this information, you can identify that the, uh, wait. Okay, from this information, we can identify that demo.owasp.juice.shop is having IP address 81.190 169.145.156. The server name is demo.owasp.juice.shop, and there we go. We got also the address here. The I don't know, probably this is the MAC address, yeah. This is the MAC address of demo OWASP juice. Right. So by running this command, we already got the server name, yeah, the address, yeah, the probably this is the IP version 6, and this one is the IP version 4. So probably both of them is the IP address of demo OWASP juice.shop. Well, from this, we got the server name and the IP address. So we already got two crucial information. Okay, like this. And if you want to use the digdemo.wasp.juice.shop, yeah, you will got the result like this one. So the Debian demo wasp juice, you will got the IP address also in here. Yeah, and you can get the name, the server name. Yeah, it's like this one. Next, after we successfully do the reconnaissance, next we are going to do the scanning. Scanning is the process of actively probing a target to identify available services and system information. The goal is to identify open ports, discover running services, determine service version. Yeah, we can do port scanning by employing Nmap. Yeah, I think you already familiar with Nmap, so we can go with Nmap. Yeah, but the difference is this Nmap is going to run on Kali Linux or Parrot OS, not the Windows one. Yeah, okay, let's run this one. Nmap. We are going to use the command provided in the PPT slide. Yeah, we are going to run aggressive scan, and then we are going to provide the IP address that already received from the previous process yet. Since our target is demo oapsjuice.shop and we already understand their IP address, so we can provide their IP address to this parameter. So 81.169.145.156. And we're gonna look at this. Let the nmap run and let's wait, yeah. So from this report, I already discovered several information in here. The port 8080 is open, 443 is open, port 21 is open, port 80 is also open. And let's continue for the next information in here. Maybe it's about the OS information. Let's look at this. Probably from this activity, we can understand the OS of the server that is used to host demo OWASP. Okay, let's look at this. It's actually a lot of information in here, yeah. If you look at this one, there are several port that is open. Port 21 is open. Port 25 is filtered. Port 80 is also open. And port 443 is also open. What else? Port 8080 is also open. This is the HTTP proxy. And what else? information that we can get from here. Maybe we can run the OS here. We can look at the OS. So maybe we can use the NSO in here to understand the OS employed by this system. So what is the IP again? 81. Oh, maybe I will look at the PPT. 81. So it's 81.169, 145, yeah. And then what else? Oh, 45, 56. Okay, like this. Let's look. Oh, it's not available in here. And map. Okay, this one. Let's wait. So maybe we can get the OS information of demo OWASP Juice server. Let's hope we can get the OS information. What is it? OS is CPE by, what is this? AT&T Embedded Oracle VirtualBox. It is using the AT&T BGW. Oh, this is actually a VirtualBox, yeah. It is not using a specific OS, but it is actually a VirtualBox. Right, let's go to the next phase. This is the result of our scanning. Next, we are going to do enumeration, which enumeration itself is the process to extract detailed information from discovered services. Yeah, the goal is to identify hidden resources, discover application components, and to understand the application structure. Yeah. Okay. Doing this enumeration, we are going to employ GoBuster. This is a tool that is provided in Kali Linux. Yeah. So we are going to use this GoBuster. Okay. So I'm going to run GoBuster. Yep, like this one, GoBuster. And then I'm gonna use this one, GoBuster dir dash u. Oh, it's going to be a lot of, we need to write several words in here. Demo.waspjuice.shop, right? Okay. Waspjuice.shop, then another backslash. Then we're gonna provide dash w slash user. So we are going to enumerate this this directory, yeah. User, share, word list. Oh, wait. Word list, word list slash dirb, common text, common.txt. Okay, we're gonna run this one. Okay. GoBuster version 3.8.2. So the URL is demo. Oh, I think I am providing wrong data in here. Demo.waspjuice.shop. Right, let's run this. Okay, so http demo.waspjuice.shop. The method is get write stand word list.txt. Negative status code is 404. It means not found yet. Probably I am using different. Okay, and then we can try to discover the hidden directories and files. So this one is the what is it? The server returns the status code that match the provided option for non-existing URLs. So please exclude the response length, blah, 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 blah. To continue, please exclude the status code or the length. So maybe next we can try to cap this one, yeah. So we're gonna make this to user share word list. We're gonna cap to read, yeah, to read the data that's already downloaded from the demo.oapsjuice.shop. Share, and then word list slash dirb, and then common.txt. All right, so this is the directory of demo.oapsjuice, yeah, that we can get in here, yeah. Can look at this. So this is the common directory that is available in demo.oaspjuice.shop. There's a lot of directory in here actually. You can look at this. There's a lot of this. Computing, boutique, boxer, bot trap, announcements, whatever it is, yeah. There's a lot of directory in here. So today we will think like an attacker to better understand how to defend web application against real world cyber threats. So what do we get after doing the simulations? First, we need to think about their mindset. So after understanding their mindset, we can try to defend our system. Just like we need to make our port, we need to what is it? We need to secure our ports, yeah. So our port is going to be more what is it? It's going um to be more secure, yeah. And then we need to prevent the attackers to understand our directory by employing a specific security implementation inside it, yeah. And then by doing all of that, we can prevent the hacker or the attacker to destroy or to access our computer, yeah. Okay, so that's it. And in our material, there are several module in here so that we can try, yeah. In the 12-week folder in here, we got the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, and nmap module.docs. Next week, we are going to uh, discuss about the cyber attack additional here. Maybe for now, we are going to try several module that is provided in here. Yeah. For the first one, let's see in here, we got the scanning. So this is like a module that can be accessed by all of you through the ULS, yeah. Then we can access this one. Well, this is actually a module to do a penetration testing. Well, actually, what kind of penetration testing we can do in here? We are going to do the response checking. So it's like a scanning, yeah. So in this one, we can try to run this code. I will try to demonstrate to you, yeah, on this one, yeah, import request. So I will use Google Colab since this is written in Python, it seems. So I will try to run it on Google Colab. All right. So I am opening the Google Colab in here. So let's make a new notebook. And then we are going to do the module 1. First, it import request. Okay, I will import request. And then after that, after we import the request, we are making the response variable here, which is taking the request.get from this website. Okay, let's make it response, yeah. Response is equal request.get dot get. It's taken from HTTPS fhscript.com like this. So it means we are going to take responses from this request. And then we got the if else command in here. If response status code is 200, yeah, it means if the response is successful, yeah, then we are going to make this response.status code. So probably I will connect this one. Okay, let's wait until our Google Colab is well connected. All right, so this is the response.status code equal 200. It's supposed to be checking the response. Yeah, we are going to take the response, another response taking from another from different URL. Yeah, it's taken from the /admin/index.php. HTTPS fhscript.com/admin slash what it is /admin/index.php, and we need to make it into a string format. Okay, then after this we are going to print request success. Print request success. Then another if else inside it. If response code, if response.status code equal 200, yeah, if this is the admin/index.php is the correct URL, then it means this website is actually in what is it, in a vulnerable state. Yeah, okay, this is not how we write if in Python. I kind of forget about it. Okay, like this, then we print a full variable site. But if we don't get anything in here else, well, okay, it's locked. If we don't get any response, then it will it means, yeah, this is not a vulnerable site. Okay, then last one, we're gonna change this to request failure. Request failure. Okay, let's try it. Oh, what is it? To view examples of installing some common dependencies, click the open examples. No module name requests. Okay, and probably we are going to install requests. So pip install request. I don't know what kind of module like this. Okay, it said that could not find a version that satisfies the requirement request. Okay, then let's look at the Google request library for Python. Okay, so this is the request. By doing this, we need to pip install requests. Okay, we need to use this pip install request. So probably this is importing request using S. Requirement already satisfied. Oh, okay. It's actually already installed in the Google Colab, yeah. But since I mistype in here, so the library is not detected. Okay, it said name request is not defined. Okay. Request, and then this one is the request. Where else? Okay, let's run this. It said request success, and this is not a vulnerable. Well, okay, this it means that https fhscript.com is actually a real website. But when we try to take response from this, https fhscript.com/admin/index.php, we try to guess, yeah, to guess their directory, their link, but because this is not returning 200, it returns not vulnerable. It means fhscript.com is not a vulnerable site. So that's what we can conclude from this simple trial. Yeah. And then we can also try to do port scanning. Yeah. Yeah. For example, we are doing this port scanning into the fhscript.com. Again, we are going to use Python code in here. The first one is the import socket. Yeah. S equals socket.socket. Let's make a new code in here. Import socket in here. And then we're gonna make a variable s equals socket.socket. Socket like this. Yeah, no variable, no parameters at all. And then we're gonna make a result s.connectx s.connectx. Yeah, and then we can try to run fhscript.com fhscript.com, and the code is 443. It means we are trying to scan the port 443, whether the port 443 is open or not. Yeah. Okay, then if the result equals 0, the port is open. Yeah, it is returning a 0 and 1, yeah, boolean. Else, if the result is 1, then the port is closed. Yeah. Okay, then let's try it. If Okay, let's see. If result equal 0, it is a vulnerable site, yeah, because the port is open. Okay, port 443 is open. Yeah, like this. This is not vulnerable. Let's see. Let's try it. Okay. Socket connect takes exactly one argument, two given. Oh, okay. Let's bundle this into one argument, yeah, by adding extra bracket. It said vulnerable site, port 443 is open. Oh, so it means a port is open in here, yeah, because the port 443 is open. So we can also try to look for another port in here. For example, port 25. Yeah, let's see, is the port 25 is open or not in fhscript.com. Okay, let's wait. It's quite takes longer time. Maybe I am providing a wrong port in here. Okay, no results. Probably I am providing a wrong port in here. Let's say for 80. What about 80? Vulnerable site port. No, 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 no. Let's change this. Port is open. Okay, 80 is also open, and probably another one. What about 161? Let's see. Ah, it's apparently we are providing different. Oh, what about the MySQL? Yeah, 3,306. Let's see. No result also. So probably uh the result the port is not opened here. So that's why there is no result at all. Okay, this is for the model one, yeah. So you can try to try this code, yeah, the model one in your own device, yeah. You can employ the Google Colab, or maybe if you already installed Python or Anaconda in your system, you can use Jupyter Notebook that is already installed in your device. But if you still not installed the Jupyter Notebook, so you can use the Google Colab, yeah. It's free for use. Next, let's open the model 2. In the model 2 here, we are going to do a simple botnet. Yeah, this is quite sensitive, uh, taking sensitive data from a website. Okay, I don't know whether this link is still open or not. Okay, I will try to open this link first. Starly, what is that? Starry Feather. Starry Featherly Developers. Starry Fatherly Developers. Like this. Starry Fatherly Developers dot Mayalook dot repl.co. Okay, like this. Let's open this. This site cannot be reached. Oh, the IP address could not be found. Somehow this site is not available. Yeah, so probably we can try to uh what is it to another website. Yeah, you can try it. You can just follow these codes, and this is the first part of the codes. We need to import OS, and then we make a variable named secrets, and then we make a dictionary based on the os.environment. Then we can print the secrets. So we are making the secrets data in here. And then number two, we try to import OS and JSON in here, the required library for the second step. And then this is the secrets, same as the previous one. It is going to make a dictionary that includes that includes our OS information. And then we make the JSON secrets in here. We dumps the secret data into a JSON format. And then the third process in here, we are going to make a request, yeah, to a specific website, yeah. I already tested this website, but this website is sadly not available anymore, so we cannot use this. And we send data JSON secrets, yeah, and then we can print the request URL and we can print the status code. So this is a warning in here. Do not send JSON of your OS environment from your local machine, because it will send the information of your local machine to the website. Yeah. So if you want to what is it? If you want to simulate this, we hope that you are making your specific website in the Replit. Yeah, if you make your own website in the Replit, so it's not going to be what is it? It's not going to be harmful, yeah, to send your information, your local machine information. Okay, number three. This is going to be an attack keylogger, so you can try it also at home. Yeah. I would like to ask you to what is it, to present, yeah, the result of this module 1, module 2, and module 3. So The third module here is making a keylogger. You can follow the Python code in here. Yeah, two Python codes in here. So keylogger is actually listening and monitoring whatever key you stroke in the keyboard. Yeah, and it will set everything you put in the keyboard. Yeah, you enter from the keyboard. Yeah, the keyboard listener will print, will lock, will save, yeah, the characters that you already click from the keyboard. Okay, so that's it for today for these learning videos. So for the next week, I hope you make the module 1, module 2, and module 3. I would like to uh, I would like you to present it in front of the class. So for this week, for this learning videos task, it is given to you as a team. Yeah. So please work as a team to fulfill the module 1, module 2, and module 3. And next week, I want you to present it in front of the class. Okay, that's it for this learning video. See you on the next week. Thank you, everyone.